It's tater season. That's right. It's about June 15th. And the potatoes are ready. That row could maybe go a little longer. Might not dig it. But there's a row here, here, and right here. We've dug a few by hand, just as we have wanted some potatoes for the table. But it's time to get these out of the ground. And then I'm going to work up a spot, and I need to get the sweet potatoes in the ground. So I don't see anything to do but just get started here. A little weedy, but it goes like that. I don't like digging potatoes by hand if I can help it. That is actually the plow section off of a Lister planter. As you can see here, red potatoes in this row, obviously. Potatoes on both sides. We're going to go through and toss those out over here so that when I do the next row, we don't, this hat is in my way. When we do the next row, we don't mash anything. And we'll see what we look like here at the end. Leave no tater behind. That potato's got a bad spot on it. I don't go through and keep hilling my potatoes up. I'm a firm believer that it is not productive if you bury them good the first time. I let them ride, you know. I just don't see the benefit of hilling and hilling and hilling. Well, that's pretty good. A pretty good haul right there. Let's take a look. All right. Row 1. That ain't too shabby. Oh, don't get away there, potato. I plant them about 12, 16 inches apart. And I'll let them ride. All right, let's dig the next one. Just like that. Oh, thought that was a tater I missed. See, that's so nice. There's some nice potatoes in that row. Some nice potatoes. I think next row is maybe Yukon Gold or Russet. There's two of each. Two of each. I don't remember which order we put them in. We'll find out soon. I may not. I don't know. I'm going to set you guys up on a time lapse, I think, and we'll come back when I'm done digging and piling and see what we get out of it. It's going to be a good time. Tater time! Well, that's 3 out of 5 rows. And this is what we ended up with. I don't think that's too shabby. Definitely enough to deal with for now. I think that leaves those last 2 rows are probably a row and a half of Kennebecks, or I'm sorry, a half a row of Kennebecks and a row and a half of Yukon Golds, because what we dug today was all red and some Kennebec. So it's a pretty good potato harvest. I think I'm gonna do some weeding around some things and on to the next thing. Thanks for watching.